Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the Best Divers multi-tool. So this is a small compact little multi-tool. It has a bunch of spanner wrenches on it. It also has some Allen keys designed for scuba divers just to do some quick adjustment, mainly on your regulators, but anything that needs an Allen key or a spanner. So this is how it arrives. It comes attached onto a little cardboard backer, so minimal packaging. You get a simple zip tie on the back, just get rid of that, and then we have the actual tool itself. So it feels like it's a solid piece of steel, and then it's over molded with this like rubberized material, a hole down the center so you can actually attach a lanyard and then clip it off to things, so pretty handy. But what do we actually have on here? So I've got my calipers because I don't really know the sizes of each of these. So we've got a 4mm Allen key. I imagine this is a 5mm, yeah, so 5. That looks more like an 8. Yeah, an 8. So that's useful for DIN inserts. The other two are for the usually for the port plugs on your first stage, and then this is a little bit smaller. That's a 6mm. On the spanner side of things, the smallest one is about 13mm. Then we have a 14mm. I imagine a 15 and a 17.5mm. I imagine that's going to be for your sort of one of the nuts on your second stage to tighten up that hose. But otherwise, yeah, handy little thing just to have with you. It's not a full range of sizes. There are probably a few others that I quite like, and these are mainly metric. So if your regulators are sort of built in the US, a lot of the time they use imperial. So just double check you're having the right size. But yeah, definitely useful in emergency. Doesn't take up too much space. You can just throw that pretty much anywhere in your kit bag, and yeah, it's useful whenever you're caught in a pinch. That's the Best Divers multi-tool. Handy little thing, something nice to sort of gift to your loved ones. Fairly inexpensive, and it fits in a stocking. Yeah, there'll be more information on our website, SimplyScuba.com. There'll be a link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it from us. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.